Lollipop. Set up wall mount. How to set up wall mount. In the package, you will receive 1 alcohol swab, 1 set of screws, 1 mounting piece, 1 wall mount. To set up the wall mount, you have 2 options. Method 1, screw the mounting piece. To begin, measure your crib space. Then use the mounting template to mark the center of your crib. Align the mounting template with the mark from the ground up, ensuring the height is between 30 to 35 inches above the mattress. Before placing the mounting piece on the wall, ensure the arrow is pointing upward. Then, mark the 3 points and drill the holes. Insert the wall anchors into the drilled holes, followed by placing the screws. Finally, ensure all screws are tightly fastened. Once you have completed the process, it should look like this. Method 2, attaching the mounting piece. Start by using the alcohol swab to clean the wall surface. Then, remove the protective strip from the wall mount piece. Ensure the arrow orientation points upward, matching the wall mount arrow when fully installed. Once attached, hold it firmly for 5 minutes to secure it tight. Note, please wait 24 hours before setting the wall mount on the mounting piece. Next, check that the arrow located in the center back of the wall mount is pointing upward. Wind the camera around the wall mount. Then turn it 45 degrees downward to align it with the mounting piece. Finally, turn the wall mount clockwise to fasten them together. Congratulations! Your Lollipop camera is now successfully installed with the wall mount. For more help, please go to lollipop.camera.